Hello everybody, Autumn Valkyrie here with another video. This video, we're going to do another reaction video. We've only really done two reaction videos in this channel so far, and the video that we're watching is Amazing Animal Encounters. It's gonna be pretty crazy, and make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and let's get into the video.
I'm hiking on the trail. There's a mountain lion. Right there.
Jeez.
It's probably like 50 feet away from me.
Can't you just
Staring at me.
just walk away?
Saw him. Oh shit. No! Hey! Back up!
Yeah, you tell that mountain lion. You tell him. Bloody walk away. This is like what, the American lion, pretty much.
Never seen a mountain lion out in the wild before.
I wonder why.
Oh man. There he is. He's checking me out. Good kitty.
I wonder what he's thinking. That would look good on my barbecue. Roasted human. I've only ever had 5 of them.
Oh,
You know, pretty rare.
chili.
Just minding my own
Oh
business.
man. Okay, dude. Okay.
Wow.
Oh man.
Why are you still there?
Whew.
Look, the mountain lion's just minding his own business.
Oh jeez. Okay, not gonna lie, that scared me because he was right on that trail.
You all
He
die.
was crouched down. I saw this little furry thing right there.
Definitely scared
And
me.
he looked like he was in like stock mode. And when he got up and like yawned, because he's not afraid of me, he couldn't care less.
Oh, yeah,
I
sure.
smell bad. Maybe they like it. The cats.
Oh my
not the
God.
birds. Woo. That was awesome.
That was pretty cool. Elephant. What's the elephant doing? Oh my God. What the hell? Jeez. Just drive off, dude. Oh no. This is gonna end bad. Is this a toilet? Oh, yeah, because I really need to go right now. I'm just gonna, back up. Oh, that was good. Alright, I think I'm done now. I'm just gonna... Oh, wait, no, that's a mess. I'm just gonna wipe it off. Hang on. Oh, no, I'm leaving. Yeah, no, I don't like this. Oh, how do I get off this? Oh, I just gotta cut. Oh, alright, there you go. Oh, no, I'm stuck on it now. Jeez. What is this? What is that? Oh, yeah. What the? It just ripped the front, like, bumper off. Jeez. Is the monkey doing push-ups? Oh my God. This is how animals get buffed. What's it doing now? Oh, sit-ups, alright. How to get abs. Okay. This monkey's, jeez, oh my God. Wow. Yeah, big that Arnold Schwarzenegger. $11. Jeez. Monkeys are really talented. Sea lion, I think. Seal, maybe. Oh, where'd he go? Oh, he's gone. Oh my God, jeez. That's like the world's first seal magician. Alright. Jeez. That's cool. Well, it's not really a crazy animal encounter. No! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, that scared me! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, that was crazy. That was just epic. Oh jeez. Alright, we just might pause it there and then okay, so I'm back, sorry, just have to go. Are we still into the seal? Oh, that was bad. Lion. Oh jeez. It's not the average house cat, but it's close. Is that a dog in the background? Or a panther? Oh my god. Oh, that's awesome. That's so cool. Oh, wow. That is pretty cool. When I watched this, I thought it would have been like deadly, like encounters. Say something like, I don't know. Okay, snake or something. Lion, bear. What? Jeez. How many dogs do you like have? Jeez, there must be like hundreds. And they're all beagles, are they? Yeah, they're all the guy on the step, the one on the steps. Jeez. Oh my god. Jeez. Wow, that's a lot. Wow. That must be noisy. What's that dog on the steps doing? Oh my god. Jeez, that's crazy. Oh my god. Wow. Lions. Oh yeah.
Okay, Dad, he's coming in the car. You're gonna have to.
Yeah, that's cool. Just chilling. Looks like an albino one. That was at the door. Oh my god! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god. Clever kitty. Oh my god.
Yes.
Oh my
I
god.
hope so.
Oh my god.
That was good.
Clever cat. Clever boy. Jeez. That must have been scary.
Dad, they can get to my door.
Oh my god. Jeez, oh my god. Oh. Yeah, oh god, that guy must be strong. that's awesome. Wow. That's cool. Whoa, wait, what? Are those? Are those crocodiles fight? Are they crocodiles or alligators? What? What the hell? Why are you going near them? I think it's an alligator. And what's that other thing?
Yeah, he's kind of flipped over.
Oh, there's another one.
I should go for the water, right?
Hmm.
No, we got him to y'all.
Jesus. Oh, the other one's trying to bite his arm off. God. It's crazy. Well. Why are you going closer to him? Oh yeah, definitely alligators. God. I'm gonna skip it forward. Oh, still. Jeez, look at his jaws. Why would you do that? Are you serious? Oh wait, oh, is that a tooth? Wait, is that a tooth? Hang on. Oh, that is epic. That is awesome. That is cool. Jeez. Yeah, they're still going.
He can barely stand up.
Oh, that's, the way they stand up is just creepy. Like they're just carrying like, so much bulk. Is it dead?
That was the little one that just jumped in there.
Oh no. Why are there? Is it like a golf place? It's just this video just goes on for. Jeez, how long is this? Oh wait, it goes till the end. Oh, okay. Well, that was an interesting video. Yeah. Oh, should we go on to another one? Okay. Okay. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And, yeah. Thanks. Bye.